everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. Another unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox the plants that I ordered online. I ordered them 4 days ago. That was Sunday, and today is Thursday. I'm going to use a sharp knife to open the box, so I'll just put down the camera. As you open the box, you will see some packaging peanuts. This is used to prevent damage to the plants during shipping. So the first plant that we're going to unbox is the Philodendron hyderaceum. It's commonly called the heartleaf philodendron. So in the website, it has a light green color, but this one has dark green. The second plant that we're going to unbox is the Alocasia reganula, or commonly known as the black velvet. Among these 7 plants, I like this the most. The third plant is the tricolor Hoya carnosa. So the fourth plant that we're going to unbox is this Alternanthera dentata, also known as Joseph goat. If you know the other names for this one, then you may type in the description box below, please. So the fifth plant that we're going to unbox is this Epipremnum enjoy, a variegated pothos. The second to the last is this Syngonium podophyllum. It's the neon pink. This definitely needs to be repotted. And the last but not the least is this Ericin herbstii, or commonly known as the bloodleaf. This plant is very easy to propagate. So I'm going to repot this. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7.